Hi Chad, it's the rep here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Street Glide. The mileage on this motorcycle is only 2,639 kilometers. It's a 2013, we're selling it for $20,488. Black metallic with chromed original wheels, front and the back. Both of them are chromed, the tires are in excellent condition. The bike itself is like brand new because it has very low mileage. Again, tinted windscreen. It's pretty much stock, doesn't have much upgrades on it. Very clean. Again, it's Canadian bike, just picked up from another dealership. They had it over there. So if you have any questions regarding the motorcycle, please call me back at 915-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.